Hey everyone, this is weather forecaster Liam. Here's your top weather news and headlines for today's video. Heavy rain will soak the southeast for days this week and into the weekend, where the chance for flooding and a few tornadoes are possible. We'll have all about that, and also that exact same storm system bringing rain to the southeast will make its way into the northeast and become Winter Storm Henry for this weekend. We'll have the timing and snowfall totals later on in this video. And we will also take a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center and the forecasted temperatures for the next 3 days. All this is coming up right here on TRA Weather. Today is January 2nd, 2020. And first of all, Happy New Year, everybody. This is my first of many more videos yet to come for the year 2020. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and share this and subscribe to my channel TRA Weather and check out the links listed below to my Twitter and Instagram pages and my brand new weather Discord channel. So let's start out real quick with a current look at the National Weather Service hazards map, where it's rather quiet in the central and western portion of the United States, besides for some winter weather and wind hazards, but can't say the same for the southeast though, where a bunch of flash flood watch, and flood warnings are in effect, and that's all from our latest storm system. We'll have the future radar in just a bit. But first, let's take a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. The chances for both above average and below average temperatures aren't super high for either the east or the western portion of the United States, mainly in the 60 to 65% range, but the highest confidence in above average temperatures is just west of the Ohio Valley in the far southeast. And the best chance for below average temperatures is across the west and southwestern portion of the United States. So now let's go over to the 3-day forecasted temperatures from the National Weather Service, starting with today, Thursday, where we're looking across the entire United States, and it's about average for this time of the season, a little above average in the eastern half of the United States, and a little below average in the western half of the United States, sort of like the Climate Prediction Center forecasted. Let's go forward to Thursday night's low, tonight's low temperature, and it's definitely above average, especially in the southeastern portion of the United States. Some areas staying in the 60s across Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. Though definitely chilly in the west and north central portion of the United States, dealing with widespread 20s and teens. Let's go forward again to Friday's high temperature. And man, it is a really above average in the eastern half of the United States. Seeing some 70s across Alabama, Georgia, then the Carolinas, maybe even up to Virginia. Very above average temperatures for that region, though cold temperatures sticking around for the western portion of the United States and especially the north central United States, only with highs in the 20s. Cold up there. So let's go to Friday night's low temperatures, and it does start to cool down a little bit, especially in the eastern half of the United States, now with lows only into low and mid 40s and pretty cool temperatures across much of the central and western portion of the United States, and starting to see now some single digits in the north central United States, in the Dakotas and also Minnesota, maybe even parts of northwestern Wisconsin. Now, again, over to Saturday's high temperature, where it's about average for this time of the season. Again, a little colder in the west, especially in the north central portion of the United States, with highs only in the mid 20s for some regions. That's definitely cold up there, though above average in the south central and southeastern portion of the United States. Forward one last time to Saturday night's low temperatures, where things finally start to cool down, especially in the southeast and south central portion of the United States, with lows starting to get into the mid to low 30s. Though it may not be as cold in the north central portion of the United States as it was Friday, though temperatures are much colder across the entire United States. So let's go over to the future radar forecast from the NAM 12 cam model for the entire United States. And we're going to start off with today at 4 p.m. Eastern time. You can see all that rain in the southeast, moderate to heavy at times, and also get into portions of the Ohio Valley. And that'll continue to make its way northeastward, more so into the Ohio Valley, and eventually into the northeastern portion of the United States, where it will become Winter Storm Henry. Anywhere else across the United States, not much going on besides some mountain snow in the far northwestern portion of the United States and some rain and snow in the far northwestern corner. Let's go forward to 1 a.m. Eastern Time Friday morning, late tonight going into Friday morning. Still have some rain across the southeast, not quite as heavy as it once was, though it's working its way more so on into the Ohio Valley and starting to reach for the northeastern portion of the United States. Forward to Friday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The rain in the Ohio Valley and the Northeast is not very heavy at all, mainly light across those regions, though in the Southeast, a few moderate rain showers are possible. And in the areas of southeastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle, a few isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out in those areas, though they will be isolated and the chances are low. Though keep that in mind if you live in those areas. Forward to 6 p.m. Eastern Time Friday, going on into Friday evening. Rain showers are very light, if any, across the Ohio Valley in the Northeast. Just dealing with a line of rain showers across the Carolinas, Georgia, Alabama, and Florida, and maybe also some snow across Minnesota, Iowa, and western Wisconsin. Forward to 1 a.m. Eastern Time Saturday, late Friday night going into Saturday morning. Line of showers is still in the southeast, almost over the Atlantic Ocean now. Though we're getting that second line of showers, the second cold front, and that is going to bring Winter Storm Henry into the northeastern United States. And also in the northwestern portion of the United States, dealing with a line of rain showers there, and also some snow in the higher elevations. Keep that in mind if you live in the northwestern portion of the United States. Forward to Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. See that second line of showers getting a little more robust and starting to bring some snow to the Ohio Valley, portions of Wisconsin, Michigan, Upper Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and also New York State and Pennsylvania. Forward again to Saturday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. See the center of low pressure is just off the coast of New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut, bringing some rain closer to the coast and some heavier snow showers to portions of Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, New York State, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and the southwestern portion of the Appalachian Mountains. Forward to 4 a.m. Eastern Time Sunday morning, very early in the morning. Still have some snow in the northeastern portion of the United States. The heavier snow will be in Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, eastern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Also, still some snow possible across New York State, Pennsylvania, and the southwestern portion of the Appalachian Mountains. Go forward one more time to 1 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday afternoon. Winter Storm Henry looks to be, it's finally starting to work its way on out of the northeastern region of the United States, though still some snow flurries possible across Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire. Also have possibly another quick shot of snow that'll work its way on into portions of the Ohio Valley in the northeast. Sunday going on into Monday. They'll still have to work out how robust that snow will be, and also still dealing with some mountain snow and rain in the northwestern portion of the United States. So how much rainfall can we expect with this storm system? Well, most areas seeing rain from this system will see between 2 and 3 inches, which is quite a bit. And some areas could see more than that, between 4 and 6 inches across central Tennessee, central and northern Alabama, and central and northern Mississippi. So make sure you have your phone alerts on and make sure you have a NOAA weather radio handy to stay up to date on the latest flash flood and flood watches for your area, and in case there is a flash flood warning in your area as well. But how much snowfall could we expect from Winter Storm Henry? Well, the highest totals will be isolated to Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, and New York State, but some isolated 1 to 3 inches are possible across the Ohio Valley and north central portion of the United States. So here are the storm hazards. We have a low tornado threat. Again, the tornadoes will be isolated to southeastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and southwestern Georgia. Hail will be low, flooding will be high, wind will be high. Some gusts could reach 25 to 30 miles per hour. Lightning will be medium, power outages will be low. wind shear is medium, and CAPE is low. When to expect this? You can expect this now, Thursday, and until Sunday, and the hazardous area is the southeastern portion of the United States. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like and share this with family and friends or whoever you would think that would enjoy watching TRA weather, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out the links listed below to both my Twitter and Instagram pages and my brand new Discord channel. Thank you. See you next time.